thinking about the way you keep my world from spinning. I'm just thinking about your eyes.
I was so freaking nervous. Ayos ko siya. So I have no mount for my GoPro. Nasira ko siya kanina umaga. But yeah, I'm going to the grocery for a quick stop because I have to buy my dinner. I want to buy some spices for my chicken. So I probably want to make adobo or mashed potato. So I'll just be going there, and I'll also be biking because I want to unwind because I already fixed the bike finally. And yeah, I've done a lot of things, but yeah, I'm going to the grocery lang to pick up some stuff. Yeah, let's go.
I could wait 1,000 days. You never wait for me. You never wait for me. Even when I ran away, you're all that I could see. You're all that I could see. When I could hardly walk on my own, I had to lift myself out of the trench below. Haven't I suffered enough to let you go? You're all that you, I had you come right. You're all that you, right. You're all that you, I had you come right. You're all that you, right. You're all that you, I had you come right. You're all that you.
Now I'm going to feed the dog. After feeding the dog, I will be cooking my super late dinner brunch.
I could wait 1,000 days. You never wait for me. You never wait for me. Even when I ran away, you're all that I could see. You're all that I could see. When I could hardly walk on my own, I had to lift myself out of the trench below. Haven't I suffered enough to let you go? You're all that you, I had you come right. You're all that you, you're all that you, I had you come right. You're all that you.
I'm not thinking about the way you keep my world from spinning. I'm just thinking about your eyes.
Gents, good morning. So I woke up very early, siguro mga 5:30. I did my morning routine. So now I'm just going to have a quick bike kasi I think Dennis' mom and brother is already coming by 7 or by 8 or 9 o'clock a.m. So today we will be visiting Valenzuela. So yeah, I'm just going to have a quick cycle. So yun, around the village lang kasi yesterday medyo maputik yung daan at saka nag-flood doon sa papasok dito sa village. So nag-rain siya kanina umaga. So yun, let's go.
So low. Hop into the cockpit, I can be a rocket. Hey, fly. So what have you been sitting there and thinking all this time? Oh. What's your mind's at? Been telling you to make you believe that the right guy ain't right here, right now, right here. I'm not thinking about how long it's gonna take now. I'm just thinking about our lives. You and me just laying blankets on the beach, and then at night I'll sing your favorite lullaby. I'm so glad I didn't give up easy.
Hi Tha Nge Chin, I'm already ready. I'm just waiting for them. So hopefully, they come now kasi I'm hungry na. Hindi ba kami breakfast? But yeah, I'm still waiting for them. And I already did a lot this morning and I'm excited to see Dennis. So yun. Mahal. Going to see you again. Love you.
Like what you don't, you should never be flying solo. Hop into the cockpit, I can be your rocket. Take flight. So what have you been sitting there and thinking all this time?
Hi Tha Nge Chin. So I already got a message from my brother na sinabi daw na it's not tuloy today. So it's okay. I'm not going online kasi that much. Kaya I just text message my brother and he is opening my messenger. So ayun, so they said they were not free ata today. So I think they canceled today. So yeah, I'm just going to, I think, edit a vlog and yeah, just rest siguro this Sunday. Or take a nap kasi I woke up really early for this. But it's okay, yeah. So yeah, I wanna see you, mahal. But yeah, it's okay. I'm with Dennis naman, so let's go.
Take flight. So what have you been sitting there and thinking all this time? Oh. What's your mind's at? Been telling you to make you believe that the right guy ain't right here.
Hi Tha Nge Chin. So I'm editing a TikTok video for Dennis kasi every 13th, I always dedicate something to him. So ngayon, grabe nakakaiyak na naman yung ine-edit ko. So ayun, I'll insert yung finished video after ko siya matapos. But ito na siya. Dati, hindi ko namamalayan ang paglipas ng panahon dahil masarap mabuhay kasama ka. Pero 8 buwan nang mapait ang buhay ko. Ang paggawa ko ng mga nakagawian natin, yun lang ang nagpapatamis ng buhay ko. Ngayon, naisipan kong i-bake ang paborito mo na banana bread. Nakakamiss kasi wala nang tagahalo. Wala na rin akong hinahalikan para lambingin at paghugasin ng palat ko. Ibinahagi ko rin ang nabake ko sa kanila tita at sa mga kaibigan mo. Sa kapiraso ng banana bread, naramdaman ko muli ang tamang tamis ng buhay. Sana, ikaw rin dyan sa kalawakan. Ikaw lang, habang buhay.
It's been a hell of a year.
Kasi nga, I miss you so much, Dennis. Hi, Tha Nge Chin. So, I'm craving for milk tea. So, I'm contemplating whether to order or not because I want to save money. But, I'm really craving for it. And besides, I was able to do some work. Yeah, so I'm gonna order milk tea now. So, let's order! I'm so happy! And the dogs are sleeping. Juno. This is Jude. Juno. Jody. And Judy Ann and Joden. And let's go to Jade. Jade. Where's my Jade? Where's my Jade? Jade? Where's Jade? Jade. Jade. Should I go for it? It's so mahal. $269. Okay. So I have to treat myself. $269. Let's place my order. Done. Yay! Milk tea, milk tea, milk tea. Got it. Since I did not go out naman, so I was planning to spend some money kanina for the trip to Antipolo. So I'll just be using it for the milk tea and I'll be saving lots of money. Kasi yun. So I'm gonna order my milk tea. But I'm going to fix the pads first kasi the weather here is paiba-iba, so it's mainit, it's I'll show you yung ginawa ko sa tripod. So yeah, look, because I have no sampayan. So yeah, thank you to my tripod. So yeah, I'm gonna do the laundry now. Natuyo naman siya. Thank God.